Simplicity in peak, making self-growth simple. I greet you all, especially my supportive subscribers and viewers. I want to appreciate you for supporting this channel, and I want you to watch to the end of this video so that you do not miss out on the most important part. I really want you to give me your attention, please. What if I told you that just two words have the power to change your future? These two words influence your mindset. These two words influence your confidence. And also, these two words influence how the world responds to you. These two words have the power to build you up, or these two words have the power to break you down. And I know right now that you are curious to know what are these two words. So, if you are ready, let us go on to unveil these two words. And without wasting much of our time again, let us go straight into discovering them. The first most powerful word is I. The second most powerful word is am. And these two powerful words go together. These two powerful words are I am. And the question is, why are they the most powerful words in the world? They are because whatever that follows these two most powerful words becomes your reality. I want you to take note of these three things. Number one, that your mind believes whatever you repeatedly tells it. Number two, your words program your subconscious. Your self-identity shapes your actions, and your actions shapes your life. At this point, I want you to be very careful of what you are using to attach I am. And why should you be so careful? You should be because whatever you are using to attach I am is creating your future. Let us talk about the science behind I am statements. Neuroscience shows that affirmation can literally rewire your brain. When you say I am strong, when you say I am confident, when you say I am beautiful, your brain starts looking for proof. And immediately your brain adjusts your actions to be in line with your belief. This is so exciting to hear and mind-blowing. Let us discuss about how these two most powerful words in the world can limit you when you use them wrongly. Let us discuss about how these two most powerful words, I am, can limit you when you use them wrongly. I want you to remember that these two most powerful words, I am, is like a sword that both sides are well sharpened. And this is to tell us that these two most powerful words can be used positively or negatively. Let us take, for instance, if you tell yourself that I am not good enough, if you tell yourself that I am not beautiful, guess what? Immediately, your brain will make this true and bring to you evidence that will back up this your affirmation. I want you to remember that these two most powerful words, I am, is like a sword that both sides are well sharpened. And this is to tell us that these two most powerful words can be used positively or negatively. For instance, if you tell yourself that I am not good enough or I am not beautiful, guess what? Immediately, your brain makes this true by giving you evidence that is backed up by your affirmation. Knowing that your words create your reality I want you to really choose them wisely. And I also want you to replace your negative I am with positive I am statements. And I also want you to shift from I am not to I am becoming. Finally, let me give you the most important part of this video, which is the I am morning routine. Just as it is very important for us to eat a nourishing meal as breakfast to be energized for us to kickstart our day, that is how it is very important for us to feed our mindset with positive I am statements to kickstart our day as a morning routine for unlimited success. If I may ask you, just tell me, who no like better thing? I am very sure that right now you are very much ready to reprogram your mind for success. And really, this is a very good step to take. Here is a 2 minute simple I am practices that will enable you to kickstart your day in the right manner. And they are: number one, look in a mirror. Number two, say 3 positive I am statements to yourself. Statement one, I am confident. Statement two, I am capable of achieving my dreams and goals in life today. Statement 3, I am becoming the best version of myself. And if you do this, your day will be like, mwah. I really want to encourage you to try these 3 positive I am statements for 1 week and come back here in the comment section below and tell us your practical experience results that you got. And I know that the result will be so amazing if you do. I want to tell you that if you put into practice all that we have discussed in this video today, you will see for yourself with evidence how your own words is reshaping your future right now. Knowing all this, what will you choose? Will you say, I am making progress, or I am stuck? Well, the choice is yours. Therefore, I encourage you to start today. If you have not subscribed to Simplicity in Peak channel, I want you to please hit on the subscribe button. And if you have watched my video till now and you have not liked this video, I want you to please give this video a thumbs up. This is a way of you supporting this channel, appreciating me for my time and effort to make sure that this video comes live. I also want you to share this video with others so that the knowledge I have shared in this video will be able to reach out to others, because I know there are so many persons that needs to hear this for them to have a mind shift for a better life, because that is the reason of this channel. I thank you for doing this for me. May God bless you, and I will see you in my next video.